Hey everyone, and welcome to Isms by Josie. Today I'm going to be doing a product review from Nail Reserve. For my returning subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And for my new viewers, please consider subscribing, share, hit that like button, leave a comment below, and click on that notification bell for future videos. So today, you guys, we're going to be checking out the remover from Nail Reserve. I am now a new affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you like any of the products that you see here today, go ahead and click my affiliate link in the description box below, and you can use my 50% off discount code IsmsByJBM. It can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles, and please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic promotions on their website. So with my file, I'm just breaking the top layer of my nail design, and we're doing this in prep for the nail remover. This remover is vegan and cruelty free. It's 21 free formula, which is free of the 21 highest chemicals usually present in gel polish. When using the remover, you're going to want to buff your nails gently to remove the top coat layer. You want to cover a generous and thick layers of the remover and let them dry. You can wait between 10 to 12 minutes and then push back the gel with a cuticle stick or pusher until it easily scrapes off. It works fast and effectively, and to never do it by force to avoid damaging your nails. And if you're using other polishes that are not from Nail Reserve, then the remover will typically act differently because obviously it's not made for other brands. So you just want to be wary of that, and that's pretty much standard for all brands. It's best to use the same brand system whenever you can because they know how it works, and of course they have all the instructions available for you online. So here I'm applying the remover. It's a bit liquidy, but I can see it kind of getting soaked up by the gel polish. It reminds me of like acid-free primer. When you like put that on your nail, it kind of gets sucked in and kind of absorbed. So we have that going on, and I'm just going to apply this to each nail and then let this soak for about 10 15 minutes or so and see where we're at. I was thinking about letting the video go by for about 10 minutes in real time, but there's not much that I can talk about at the moment. Well, there's a lot to talk about, just not in this video, but so I am going to time lapse, just sitting here for 10 minutes. I was watching TV, so it wasn't all that bad. I finally finished the I Dream of Jeannie series, so now I am doing actually Bewitched, and I feel like I like watching Bewitched better. It just seems more me now. I think when I was way younger, I used to love I Dream of Jeannie, but it's I guess my wants, my goals, and my values are different now, if that makes any sense. So I'm sitting here for 10 minutes and I'm not noticing any curdle on here yet, but that doesn't mean it's not doing its thing. I just want to make sure because with other removers, I will sit there for like a half an hour, to be honest. So just to make sure, I mean, it did say 10 to 15 minutes. I am just going to go on here and put more of this on because, like I said, when I did the nails in the last video, I did several layers, so it's not the typical that you may use that removers would of course remove within seconds. So I'm just going to put this on to each nail, and then we're going to sit again for another 10 minutes just to make sure that everything is gravy. So again, I am going to time lapse the next 10 minutes so that we're not just sitting here twiddling our thumbs, what have you. But this process usually takes the amount of time you're willing to put into it, to be honest. Again, you don't want to damage your nails, so you definitely don't want to rush anything. I've totally done that in the past. And, you know, on occasion, very rare occasion, it did not end well. So I've learned my lesson. But as you can see, the index finger is definitely starting to crack. So I'm finding that this does more of a crack than a little bubble. You know, it all acts differently depending on your situation and what you're using. So you can't always assume what's going to happen with one brand happens to another. But I'm just pushing away some of the flakes that are coming off of my nail. Trying to see where I need to put more of the nail remover. But I'm just gonna complete this for the whole hand and see where we're at afterwards. Okay, so it looks like it's gonna need a little more time to cook. I off camera did a few more times with the remover, and I'm gonna pop back in real quick at the end. I'm gonna show a picture of my nails afterwards. This was kind of like a quickie that wasn't so quickie, so we're gonna just come back in and I'll end up showing what it looks like. I normally don't put anything on my nails, so when we head back, it's just gonna be plain Jane, nothing on it. Everything is nice and nail cleansed. Just how I like it for now. Again, I am an affiliate with Nail Reserve, so if you liked any of the items you see here today, go ahead into my description box and use my affiliate link along with my 50% discount code IsmsByJBM. And again, it can be applied for a minimum of 2 products except bundles. And please be advised that it will not work when they have automatic promotions on their website. Well, join me again, you guys. I have more products from Nail Reserve to show you guys. This is IsmsByJBM. Please share, like, and subscribe for future videos. And I'll see you again next time. Thanks. Bye.